Editing a category page in WordPress using Elementor allows you to customize how your category archive pages appear. Here's how you can do it. Install and activate Elementor. First, ensure that Elementor is installed and activated on your WordPress website. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Elementor, then click Install Now and Activate. Create a new category page template. Elementor doesn't directly allow you to edit category pages, but you can create a template using the theme builder. Go to Elementor. In the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Templates, Theme Builder. Add new template. Click on Add New and choose Archive from the template type dropdown. Choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch. You can either choose a pre-designed template or design your own category page layout. Customize the category template. Add widgets. Drag and drop widgets like archive title, post excerpt, and post content to customize your layout. Dynamic content. Use the post content widget to display dynamic posts from the selected category. Set display conditions. Once your template is ready, click Publish. A window will pop up to set display conditions. Choose all categories or specify particular categories where the template should apply.